Hey there. Welcome to Learn with Gravity. If you're curious about how to create engaging and high-quality faceless videos for YouTube, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be walking you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to make faceless videos using AI tools. Faceless videos have become incredibly popular because they allow creators to maintain their privacy while still producing compelling content. And the best part? You don't need to be in front of the camera to succeed. So whether you're camera shy or just prefer to keep a low profile, stick around as we break down everything you need to know to get started with your very own faceless YouTube channel. Before we dive into the how-to, let's take a quick look at some successful YouTube channels that have mastered the art of faceless video creation. Understanding what these channels do right can provide some inspiration and guidance for your own projects. First up, we have TechZone. This channel focuses on tech-related content, covering everything from innovative gadgets to futuristic inventions. With over 4 million subscribers, TechZone never shows the host's face. Instead, it combines voiceovers with fascinating video clips and animations to engage its audience. Next, there's Brightside, a channel that's a household name with over 44 million subscribers. Brightside shares a wide range of informative and entertaining videos using animated graphics, stock footage, and captivating storytelling. Again, no face is necessary to connect with its large audience. The quality of the content speaks for itself. Lastly, check out the Infographics Show. With more than 12 million subscribers, this channel excels in explaining complex topics in a simple and engaging manner. They use animated visuals and detailed voiceovers to break down everything from history to science to current events. The Infographics Show proves that great storytelling and engaging visuals are all you need to capture and hold your audience's attention. These examples show that faceless channels are not just a trend, they're a successful format that resonates with millions of viewers. Now, let's get into how you can start creating faceless videos that captivate and grow your audience. The first step to any great video is a compelling script. This is where the magic happens, and you lay the groundwork for your entire video. For creating an engaging and professional script, we're going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that can help you generate high-quality scripts quickly and efficiently. Let me show you how it works. First, you'll want to open ChatGPT. You can use the free version or opt for a subscription if you want access to more features and faster response times. Once you're set up, you can start generating your script. Here's a cool method we'll use. We'll prompt ChatGPT with a game-like scenario to help generate visual ideas. Type in a prompt like this: "We are going to play a game, and you're going to be my prompt producer. I will paste one paragraph from my script, and your job is to create visuals for it. More specifically, you will give me 3 prompts for each paragraph that matches the storyline and create compelling visuals." By using this approach, ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed script that includes ideas for visuals. The beauty of this tool is that it allows for endless customization. You can tweak the prompts and refine the script until you're satisfied. And just like that, you have a solid foundation for your video. The key is to ensure that your script is engaging, informative, and aligns with the theme of your channel. Once your script is ready, it's time to bring it to life with visuals. This step is crucial because visuals make your video engaging and help convey your message effectively. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI, a powerful AI tool that generates stunning visuals based on text prompts. To start, take the prompts that were created using ChatGPT during the scriptwriting process. Input these prompts into Leonardo AI. For example, if your script talks about exploring a futuristic city, you might use prompts like futuristic skyline at dusk, neon-lit streets filled with robots, or aerial view of a flying car. Leonardo AI will take these prompts and generate high-quality images that fit your narrative perfectly. The advantage of using Leonardo AI is that it offers a wide range of visual styles and can produce multiple options for each prompt. This gives you the flexibility to choose the most compelling images for your video. Make sure to organize these visuals so that they match the flow of your script. Save them in high resolution to ensure your video looks professional and polished. And there you have it. Your script now has accompanying visuals that are engaging and perfectly aligned with your story. The next step is to bring these images to life by adding motion. Static images are great, but to really capture your audience's attention, you'll want to add some motion. This makes the video more dynamic and visually appealing. To do this, we'll use a tool called Runway ML. Runway ML is perfect for animating still images, giving your visuals a sense of movement and life. Start by uploading the images you generated with Leonardo AI into Runway ML. Once they're uploaded, you can use Runway ML's intuitive interface to add simple animations. For instance, you can create zoom-in effects to draw attention to specific details, pan across a scene to create a sense of motion, or even animate certain elements within the image, like making trees sway or lights flicker. The goal here is to make the visuals more engaging without overwhelming the viewer. Subtle movements can significantly enhance the storytelling aspect of your video. After you've animated your visuals, export the clips in high quality. These animated visuals will give your video a professional and dynamic look, making it more appealing to viewers. Now that we have our animated visuals, it's time to add a voiceover. A good voiceover is essential for guiding your audience through the content, providing clarity, and adding a personal touch. For this, we'll use ElevenLabs, an AI tool known for generating realistic and high-quality voices. To get started, choose a voice that suits the tone of your video. ElevenLabs offers a range of voice options, from calm and professional to energetic and enthusiastic. Select one that best fits the theme of your content. Next, take the script you generated with ChatGPT and paste it into ElevenLabs. You can customize the pace and tone to match the mood of your visuals. Once you're satisfied with the settings, generate the voiceover. ElevenLabs will produce a clear, natural-sounding audio file in minutes. Listen to the output to make sure it aligns with your visuals and conveys the right message. Make any necessary adjustments to the pacing or tone, then download the final audio file. This voiceover will be the backbone of your video, tying everything together and keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. With your visuals animated and voiceover ready, it's time to bring everything together in a seamless edit. For this, we'll use CapCut, a user-friendly editing software that's packed with powerful features. Start by creating a new project in CapCut. Import the animated clips you exported from Runway ML and the voiceover audio from ElevenLabs. Arrange the clips on the timeline according to your script, ensuring that the visuals sync perfectly with the voiceover. Take your time here to fine-tune the timing and make sure everything flows smoothly. Next, consider adding some background music to enhance the mood of your video. Choose royalty-free music that complements the tone of your content without overpowering the voiceover. Adjust the volume levels so that the background music is subtle and doesn't distract from the narration. Don't forget to add transitions between clips to make the video more visually appealing. CapCut offers a variety of transition effects that can make your cuts smoother. You can also include text overlays or graphics if you need to highlight specific points or add extra information. Once you've finished editing, review the entire video to ensure it looks and sounds the way you envision. Make any final adjustments, then export your video in high quality. Congratulations! Your Faceless YouTube video is now ready to be uploaded.